Today we're going to introduce you to our TruckForce portable carpet cleaning machine. We've been making a TruckForce portable for approximately 15 years, and it's undergone a number of evolutionary changes over the years. We started out with a fiberglass body. We did that for about 6 years. We moved to a very simple rotationally molded body. We've been doing this particular modern looking style for about 6 years now. The machine has excellent capacities. The solution tank will hold 22 gallons when it's filled completely to the brim. The waste tank is going to hold 15 gallons. However, all of those items are mute when you talk about the automatic capabilities of the machine. It has automatic fill and chemical feed with the machine. There's a receptacle in the front here to hold your gallon of chemical. We use a DEMA metering system that the metering tip that comes with the machine is drawing 2 ounces of chemical for every 5 gallons of water going into the machine, which is kind of the standard dilution in our industry for most detergents. It comes with a full set of metering tips, so you can change that metering tip setup to achieve any kind of a dilution you might need for your particular chemical. We make the TruckForce in 2 different versions. One is a 500 psi model with 3 two-stage vac motors in series, producing almost 15 inches of mercury. This particular model we're looking at today is the 1200 psi model. This one has both models that use a high-pro pump, a pump that we're very comfortable with and is a very forgiving pump, unlike some of the other pumps in our industry being used today to try to achieve that 1200 psi pressure. This is a versatile machine that you can adjust the pressure anywhere from 100 psi up to 1200 psi. You can clean upholstery with it, you can clean carpet with it, and you can also run these turbo tools for tile and grout. We're very comfortable with the pump that we're using here on this particular machine. The machine comes with 50 feet of all the hoses. There's 50 feet of a water hookup hose for the automatic fill and chemical feed. There's 50 feet of vacuum hose. There's 50 feet of a 1.25 inch diameter vacuum hose for the automatic pump out, and it has a positive cam lock going on the front of the machine here so it won't blow off during pump out. This machine is used by a lot of restorers for water removal. In fact, you could actually empty your swimming pool with this pump out system on this machine. It's 20 gallons a minute. So you need that kind of ability when you're running these turbo tools. At 1200 psi, we're putting out about 2.2 gallons a minute. So you need a pump out system that'll stay up with that kind of flow rate. It comes with 50 feet of high pressure solution line. And on the panel down here, we have our pressure gauge. We have an unloader valve that has a range of 0 to 1200 psi. And we also have a power prime valve. If this pump should ever lose its prime, by simply depressing this lever here on this power prime valve and holding it down for 30 to 60 seconds, prime is instantly restored to the machine. The drain valve on the front here is high enough that it can drain into a toilet or a 5-gallon bucket easily. And as I say, with the automatic pump out feature, why, there's no stopping. Once you hook this machine up, you can clean all day long with it. One of the other features of this machine involves some of the hardware involved in building the machine. And one of the features is this 12-inch foam-filled wheel. It's the same wheel that Dry's uses on their dehumidifiers. We've used this particular wheel for about 6 years now. It acts like it's pneumatic, but it'll never go flat. It's a really wonderful wheel. It allows you to move the machine to go upstairs, downstairs, and get around in tight spaces because of its flexibility. So we've used, we think, very high quality components in manufacturing the machine. On the back of the machine, you'll notice that it has a separate switch for the pump, for each vacuum motor, and for the automatic pump out. It also has an hour meter to help keep track of any potential maintenance you might have or actual usage of the machine. The machine comes with 50 feet of high-quality electrical cord. There's 2 cords. We recommend the machine be plugged into 20 amp circuits. However, it should run pretty comfortably on 15 amps. We've designed the TruckForce, although it's a big machine, to easily be able to transport it and load it into a van. We've constructed kind of a bridge here to protect the cord wrap here. And the way you would load this machine is to back it up to your van. We'd suggest using a little bit of a carpet here to protect your van. And then grab it down below and slide it in. And you can either stand it up and secure it with a bungee cord or leave it laying down.